Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today a really quick one because I have a little feature that I wanted to show you guys, and you can already see it up here. It's the wish list. I finished my stream, I hit my 5 hearts. So what it does is you can select any gift that you want and you can create a little wish list. So what you can do is you can go here and edit your goals. And then in here, you will see here gift goal. And then you can select the gift that you want to use. There is a bunch of gifts that you can select from. And then you can set the current status, which will be null in the beginning, 0. And then you can set your goal, which could be 5 or 10 or whatever, right? And then once you press OK, it will update it on the overlay. Where can you find the overlay to implement this from? You can click here on Edit Overlays and then go here. Sorry for having all this stuff on my screen right now. And then you, in the goals, you can click here on Implement the Gift Wishlist, where you then can set everything up, the design what you want. There is only 2 tabs. You have the text that you can set, so that you can say like here, gift wish list, something like that. And then you can set the style however you want. You already know. And then you can click on the gift count and you can set the gift count style however you want. And then you will just copy the URL, go on your OBS, right? As we always do. And then you create a new browser source by clicking on the little plus in the corner. You click on browser, you give it a name, you put the URL in that you just copied. Let me show you real quick what I mean with just copied. You click here on the copy URL button, right? You can keep the style the way it is. It doesn't really matter. And then you press OK. And then you have a little gift goal that will update automatically. It will keep track of the goals. So you have to probably reset it to 0 because you can have like a wish list that is going on longer than one stream. So you don't have to reset it and count. And yeah, this is really awesome for the challenges that sometimes go on Younow. Right now, the heart hands challenge. So if you want to like keep track of the hearts and like have like a goal, you can do it with this gift. I think this overlay. I think it's really cool. All right, that's really it. Really small feature. Just implement the overlay, and then in the OBS tool, you can set the different specifications however you want it. Right now, it's just one gift. We might want to like implement more than one gift at some point, but I think one is good for now. Yeah, that is really it. Have a beautiful time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.